So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that for a real number x and a positive integer n, we are defining xn in this way, xn and this bracket symbol. So this is defined by this is equal to like x minus 1, x minus 2 up to x minus n minus 1 and divided by 1, 2, 3 up to n. So in this way we are defining this. So in the problem it is asking what is the value of minus half 100. This is the same, this symbol here, x value is minus half and n value is 100 divided by, if we put x is half and n is 100, so what is the ratio of these two we have to find out. So you can try first, then see the solution. So let's start. So in the problem it is given that x n and this bracket symbol is defined by like x times x minus 1 up to, it goes up to x minus n minus 1, and in the denominator it is 1, 2, 3 up to n. So if we put x is equal to half and n is equal to 100, so this will come like minus half minus 1 up to minus half, and n is here 100, so n minus 1 is 99. So this will come like this, and in the denominator it will go up to 100. So this is the value of this. Similarly, we can also find half and 100. If I put x is equal to half and n is equal to 100, so it will come like half minus 1 till half minus 99 in this way, and in the denominator it will come 1, 2, 3 up to 100. In the problem it is given that we have to find the ratio of these two. So if we take the ratio, so it will come like minus half minus 1 up to minus half minus 99, and you see this part here and this part here are common. So if you divide these both of these, so this will cancel and it will remain only this half minus 1 up to half minus 99. So we have only this. So now you see there are different terms, like if I write in the numerator there is minus half, and this will simplify to minus 3 by 2. Then in the next term we have minus half minus 2, then it will simplify to minus 5 by 2. Similarly it will goes like here in the last you can see that minus 199 by 2, and in the denominator you see there is half, this is minus half, initially there is half, then there is minus half, then it will come like minus 3 by 2 and goes up to, like here it is minus 197 divided by 2. You can see that. So what are the different things remaining? So you can see this term will cancel with this term will cancel with this, and in the next here is minus 5 by 2. So that term will also cancel with this. So what is the remaining term in the numerator? In the numerator, if we cancel till this term, so in the numerator it will come like 198 divided by 2, 2 minus 199 divided by 2. And in the denominator this is half. So we have these terms. So here it is half remaining, and in the numerator you see, oh sorry, there is not this term, this term is not there, because you see before this term what is the term, it is minus 197 by 2, because there are difference of 2, you see 3 5, then here is minus 7 by 2, and these goes like this. So here is 197 and 199, so this term will cancel with this term and only this term will remaining, and here you can see the final answer is minus 199, because this half will cancel with this half. So the final ratio is like this, minus 199. So in this way we can solve this problem. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. We will meet in next